Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sowmya, consulting physician from TX Hospital. Today we are going to discuss about vitamin D deficiency. What is vitamin D? Vitamin D is an essential nutrient in our body which is required for the bone formation, muscle strength and as well as immunity. So vitamin D deficiency, it causes more of infections because as vitamin D is required for the immunity, it fight backs the infection. So whenever there is a vitamin D deficiency, you will have recurrent flu or common cold like symptoms. So whenever you are having recurrent cold and common flu symptoms, test your vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is very common. It is maximum. It will for every 3 patients there will be one. For every 3 there will be 1 in 3 ratio vitamin D deficiency. And vitamin D is also helpful in the bone formation. So whenever there is a low of vitamin D, you will feel back pain or body pains and difficulty in walking, weakness, fatigueness or tiredness. These are all the symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. As vitamin D deficiency, it also helps in the absorption of calcium. So whenever there is a low vitamin D, calcium levels are also low. So it leads to low hypocalcemia and that lead to bone pains, fatigability, generalized body pains. In childhood, when there is a low calcium and low vitamin, the terminology is called there is a softening of bones because calcium is required for strengthening of bone. As there is no vitamin D, there is no calcium absorption. So decreased calcium, that leading to the condition called rickets in children. Whereas in adult, when there is a vitamin D deficiency, it also causes low calcium. The term is called osteomalacia. And when it progresses to the elderly age group or else above 60 or else 50, above 50, when there is vitamin D deficiency, the bone doesn't form, it become weak. That is known as osteoporosis. So as vitamin D is required for muscle strength, so when there is a deficiency, it causes muscle weakness, fatigability, difficulty in walking, and there is also difficulty in concentration, anxiety, depression. These are all the symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. And sometimes some patients will suffer with hair loss. This is also the important sign for vitamin D deficiency. The treatment for vitamin D deficiency is nothing but the supplementation. Daily 2000 international units are required for vitamin D. So we usually give weekly dose, which is 60,000 international units weekly once, given for about 6 to 8 weeks, and then again every month for 6 months. This is a total treatment for vitamin D deficiency.